If God knows everything there is to know, then I ask, how can God learn or grow? If you knew all that was and all that will be, then how can any decision you make be free? If you were everything and everything was you, then there would be nothing for you to do. And there we find God in this very position, imprisoned by the power of his own condition. But there is a way to escape from this net. All that God would have to do is forget. Forget what he has, and in ignorance find choice and free will from confusion of mind. And so God created a plane of limitation, that confusing place we call creation. A place of ignorance where we're free to choose, free to make mistakes and free to lose. For only a being who knows not what is true has the free will to choose what to do. Through us, God can live, think, feel and see, and experience he knew, but now he can be. And yet we've forgotten where we come from. But the closer we get, the happier we become. With control and awareness you can return, but you have less choice the more you learn. Each mortal longs for the infinite's touch, yet the infinite longs to know not so much.